Guys, I'll show you how to design a custom name logo like this in PixelLab. So without wasting much time, launch PixelLab and join the tutorial. Click on the plus at the top left, okay, to bring in a text. So go ahead and write in the text that you want to design a logo for. Let's say you want to design a logo for this sailor. Let's say you want to design a logo for this sailor. Follow the steps, guys, so that you will not be missed out. Okay, so send it to the center. Go ahead and pick in the font. This is the font we'll be using, Falcon. Okay, so we'll be using this Falcon font. Go ahead and add padding to your work. This is another way of working with font. Okay, add enough padding, okay, so that there will be space around your job. Go ahead and increasing it. So another thing you want to do is go to spacing, letter spacing, add a little bit letter spacing to it. So guys, ensure you add padding to your work and send it to the center. Change the color to black. Follow the simple steps, guys. Copy it. This one you just copy, send it to the center too. Go ahead and merge the two together. This layer is this. Okay, we don't need all this layer. Go ahead and merge the two together. Once you have merged the two together, you can now either increase or scale out or scaling. So once you are done increasing it, this one that I'm working on now, you can see that the edges is rough. The edges is rough. Go ahead and copy it. Delete the first one. Okay, send this one to the center. I'll be working with this one. Now copy it again and copy it again. So if you note now, we have 3 different layers of this sailor. Can you see there are 3 different layers? So let's work on one of the layers. So what we want to do is bring in a shape. Let's just mask out some parts. Okay guys, if this video is bringing you value and you want to get more videos like this, share the video and drop some comments in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about the tutorial. So you want to cover some part of that Y. Go ahead and use your rotate option. Ensure your work is straight, then use your position key to move it. Go ahead and copy this. Okay, hide 2 of the layers. Okay, so we'll be working with this top layer. Okay, so now copy that shape. Follow the steps, guys, so that you get the same result. So let's say we copy this one. Let's also hide this top part of this R. Okay, watch what I'm doing in the video carefully. So use your position key. Use your position key, move it down. So guys, we want to also cover some part of that R. Then lastly, let's cover some part of this S. Okay, I'm showing you guys how to craft out your own custom lettermark logo for your brand, for your client, for your YouTube channel, and so on. Guys, if you have not joined my membership on YouTube, then you are missing out. So merge these shapes with the first layer. Okay, go ahead and once you merge them, go to erase color. On the erase color and increase the tolerance. Okay, once you are done, bring in a shape. Okay, send the shape color to black. Always carry out this single process I'm carrying out now for any layer that you are going to be erasing the color for. So So now merge that black shape with this layer. You want it to be in PNG. So unlock this one. Let's say lock the first one you just worked on. Then you can even leave it, but ensure you are clicked on this one. Let's say we want to lock the first layer. So guys, that first layer that we worked on. So guys, that first layer that we worked on is the one. So guys, the first layer we worked on is the one at the top now. So we'll go ahead and lock it and hide it. So we will hide the second one. Okay. So the second one now, we want to erase some parts too now. So let's say we want a right angle triangle for this one. Let's say we want to cover some part of the A. Follow the steps, guys. So you can go ahead and use your rotate option. Use your rotate option to align your work. Ensure it's straight. So use your position key to move it up. See what you are doing. So you want to cover that section. Then okay, let's say you want to cover that section. Copy it. And I want to also cover this part too. I want to cover this part of the Y. Okay, so use your position key. Can you see? Let's say we'll cover that part of the Y. So go ahead and merge the shape with this particular layer that is open. Okay. So go to erase color, increase the tolerance, bring in that same shape. Okay, change the color to black, then send it inside this layer. Send it inside any of the text that you can see, then merge the two together. So the reason being is so in case you want to change this logo into a 3D, you will not have issues. So once you are done, the last layer, you can hide this one. The last layer, let's lock this too. Let's say we want to work small on this last layer. Now for this one, we'll use the eraser option. Now can you see the eraser? Click on the eraser. You can also use eraser for all these things. Okay, so we want to clean some part of the O. Ensure your hand is not coming down. We want to clean just some sections of the O. Can you see? So get the font. The font name is so guys, once you are done erasing some part of the O, go ahead and OK it. Then go ahead and unhide all these other layers. Let's start from the first layer at the top. Change the color. You change the color to blue. Check the other layer too. So we change the other layer color to, let's say, red. Lighten it a bit. Then the last layer, let's say we want to change the color of that layer to this orange, this yellow or orange. So guys, if you feel the design is not okay, you can go ahead and see, use the erase color option or use the eraser option. Ensure you know the layer you are clicked on, which is the layer that is dominating the background more. So we want to clean some part of this layer now, so that other layers will show. So this is how you can modify your logo. You can create more and more layers of this. Okay, so unhide this one too. Then you can go ahead and still clean some parts. So as you continue to clean, you see the places that is hidden. Let's say you want to clean the bottom part of this O. Okay, ensure your hand is not shaking. Okay, and try and clean some sections so that you create variant colors in the background of your logo. Guys, this is how to create a custom logo for your brand or for any brand. And you can go ahead and unhide this one and see what you have gotten. Okay, and even for the back layer self, you can either bring this one here to see the difference, the changes in your logo. Okay guys, by this means I believe we have found value from this tutorial, and if you want to keep getting more videos like this, let me know in the comment section. So once you have gotten something like this, go ahead and merge. You see this part that is showing yellow, this part that is showing yellow, you know this second one is on top. For this second one, you can go ahead and click on the second layer and erase some parts too from that second layer if you want that yellow to show. So let's say we want to remove some part of this A from the top. Once you are done, okay, can you see the yellow is showing at the top of the A now? So you can add more and more layers like this and create custom logo from this means. Go ahead and merge the 3 layers together. Once you merge them together, send it to the center. Click on this last option that is showing emboss. I will show us how to turn this logo into a 3D logo. So if you spoil it, increase and expand. Check the angle light properly. Go down, check the intensity. You can either add or increase the intensity. Don't do as I do. Don't be in a haste. Calm down. Increase the spectacular hardness. Reduce the bevel. Make it 4, either 5 or 6. Check the hardness. Go back to the angle light. Check the angle light properly. Okay, then go to shadow. On the shadow, reduce the blur. Just reduce the blur radius. Otherwise, if you want to point your shadow to a particular direction, especially if you are designing for a design that is on the wall, but ensure not to add too much shadow, because too much shadow can mar or make your design. So okay it, then go to 3D shape, enable it, ensure the depth is reduced totally, then okay it. Once you are done, click on the background and test various background colors for your design. Guys, I believe you have gotten enough value from this. Share the video to others so they also gain value from it. And if this is your first time, let me know in the comment section if you want more videos like this, and I'll post tutorials like this for free. Okay, since it's a white background, you can go ahead and point your shadow to a particular direction. Okay, share your thoughts and join my YouTube community. Join the membership so that you gain free value on how to start creating content of your own. To save this logo, click on this icon at the top and save as image. Okay, you can either make it ultra, and you can also save this logo as PNG. So to save it as a PNG logo, go ahead and click on this transparent option that is showing. Once you click on the background, click on this transparent, it's now on PNG. Then click on that icon at the top, then come down, click on ultra, save as image. Peace guys.